Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to mail merge from Excel to Word. So if you want to basically link this Excel data into a Word file, then I will show you that how you can basically do this in this video. But before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So here you can see that I have also opened up my Word file here, and here I have this form here which actually shows the name, company and country, and here I have this Excel file and it also shows us the name, company and country. So we basically want these values to appear here next to the name, company and country here. So how do we can actually basically do this? First of all, we need to save our Excel file. Okay, so we will go into save option, go into the save, and we will save this on desktop. So I will just replace it with book one, and now we have saved our file, and we will open up our Word file. And at the top here you can see that we have mailings option. Just tap on this and tap on select recipient and use an existing list. Now select your Excel file that you just saved. Okay, so this was the book one. Just open it and open it again. Now the next thing that basically we wanted to show here is for the name. Actually we want make sure that your cursor is next to where you basically want to show the value. So if I want to show the name, I will move my cursor here, and then you will click on this insert merge field. So we have three fields here: name, company, country. Okay, so these fields are these labels here: name, company and country. Okay, so for the name here I just want name, and for company here I just want company, and basically for the country here I will just want country. Now how we can basically see the results here? So we will basically click on this one, preview a result, and now you can see that we have Noman, Google and USA. And if we want to show this second value here, the result number 2, we will actually go to this field, next record, then next record, then next, and then we will get back to 1. So that's how basically you can mail merge from Excel to Word. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.